Welcome to Doorbell Ditching. Let's go.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my.
So we've got a new person we want to introduce you to. New person, part of our group, Nick Hollinger.
Eating a granola bar, that's a little. We're just going to Doorbell Ditch right now.
There's our drug dealer right there. Look at him.
Drug dealers?
I know, these are the people we recruited.
Just kidding.
You know, we run definitely intense. We meet a lot of people in this neighborhood. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. They're coming for us. We're screwed.
They don't even know they're going to be on YouTube, boys. They don't even know. They just think they're going to come out, have a fun time doorbell ditching. We're going to do some challenges during this doorbell ditching. And yeah.
We have 49 subscribers.
I'll give you another.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got to get the big 50. 50.
Well, we're going to drop a new video for 50 subscribers.
Oh, if I don't have a Safari right now.
Yeah.
Let's watch
Subscribe. 50.
Oh,
no! Okay.
Just tell me your channel name.
It's Elite Events.
Capital E.
Oh yeah.
And the S is a Z. Wait, no space.
There's no space. We're about to doorbell ditch our first house. Oh, here's Wi-Fi. He's about to subscribe. 50 bomb. Let's go.
Elite. What?
Events.
Capital E.
It's fine.
I don't know how to spell. So. Like that?
Yeah, that. Oh,
Yeah,
it shows up. Oh my gosh.
Stop, bro.
Oh
Do that. Okay. Go to Elite Events.
That's not a good video.
Yeah.
Yeah. 50 subscribers. Let's go. Apparently they're trying to get it stuck on the light post.
No way we did.
I know.
Kind of close.
What if we just watch the city get it down tomorrow?
kidding.
Oh my gosh. Thing is, we got this car here too, unless someone like shanks it. I'll be sad.
Hey, grab your rock.
I'd be more proud of you to hit that car than this car. 'cause then-
If someone hits his own booking, get rid of that one. I'm booking.
No, I'm gone. Go, someone get this.
Oh, get it! Oh! Oh!
Okay, let's go.
I'll try it.
When I was not around, certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. And they came up to let it down. More when I was not around, certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm an OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy.
Day we hustle, but the night we
OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm an OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but
Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die.
Oh shoot. We're doing that.
we hustle, but the night we
Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night we
Boys by my
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I did. She's hauling cheeks.
I'm sure that was a mom.
Who was that? She was hauling.
It's the mom too. Thought it was a kid.
I want to do her again.
Who was the mom?
Who's the mom?
She was hauling for a mom.
Why'd you guys stop?
She looks like our height.
Why'd you guys? But she was like,
Dude.
no.
She said something. I don't know. Did she just turn around?
Down this way, I'm booking. Oh no, don't step on their piano. So last time? About this?
No, they're
Yeah. Wait, who stepped? Oh,
brothers.
yeah, but I don't know who it was, but they put a piano on there. And he stepped on it and it starts playing this music and stuff.
That was scary.
She's literally fast enough to be in the Olympics. The mom Olympics.
Stars in the mom Olympics? Yeah, okay.
Almost. Okay. 3 scooters down. Yeah, gang. Gang, 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 gang. It's down, so I don't see us. Yeah, it's on. This guy's on track, bro. We're gonna run. Whatever way is dangerous. That's a dead end.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like
We're editing.
you got it. You
Hey,
want
hey, the
your
ring. Oh wait,
coaster.
let's go.
Don't ask me about my freedom. Don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?
Oh my god! Why is it going so fast? Oh my
They were hauling. Oh, how much houses is that? Like 4? 2 chase downs?